Mortgage and life insurance brokers, are you struggling to get engagement on your social media posts? Here's why nobody is paying attention. Here's how to create scroll stopping content that mixes emotion, storytelling, and calls to action to stop people scrolling past your posts and engaged. And it's a simple 3-step process that each reel, each bit of content needs to follow. So, number one is the hook. It's got to have a hook. It's got to grab somebody's attention as and when they are going past it. If it's boring, if it's the same as everybody else, mortgage and insurance brokers, if it's the picture of the house or the picture of the hands with the family in it, yeah, it's a picture of your logo. Come and see me for mortgage advice. It doesn't work. It's bollocks. Too many people have seen them. There is no hook. You're the same as everybody else. People have pattern recognition and they realize that they've seen this before, therefore they scroll. You do something that is different that grabs attention and draws them in to watch the rest of the video or the rest of the reel or look at the rest of the carousel or whatever it may be. Then you need to offer some form of value, whether that's lessons, whether that's advice, whether that's a case study, whether it's something interesting of some sort. After the hook, it goes into value and gives the viewer, the consumer, something to stay around for. And then it simply goes to a call to action. A CTA that is selling your products or services, book a call, do this, do that, sign up to this, do this or do that, whatever it may be. But this framework, hook, value, call to action, simply draws people in so they consume it, give them value so they engage or they have an opinion. This could be a talking point. It could be, sparking debate or conversation. And then the call to action could be comment below, like below, sign up to this lead magnet, book a call on this, go to this other landing page, do whatever it is. It draws in. Now you mix in things like emotion and you mix in storytelling. And what this does is, again, it helps with this piece, even helps with this piece, depending upon what you say. But people are drawn into things that spark emotion, whether that's curiosity, whether it's anger, if you want to be a little bit controversial. Say certain things that sparks an emotion from the viewer. Storytelling is the best way to sell anything, right? When you tell someone stuff, you're selling, right? When you tell a story about something, people engage, right? That's why stories and books do so well. Everyone loves a story. This client did this. This happened to me in the past. Or actually, when I did this, this happened. People are more likely to listen to that instead of you saying do this or do that. Yeah. Hook, value, call to action when you're doing any of your social media posts in financial services. I cover this type content and loads of other stuff every single Monday at the Wealthy Advisor Club. Marketing Mondays will cover this in depth. If you want to click the link on the free trial, it's in my bio, it's in the description. There's some amazing brokers already joined the community and would love to have you on board to teach and get involved in more stuff like this. See you there.